What if you could swap your face into any photo? No filters, no setup, no training, and it actually looked like it was shot that way. This is Higgsfield Face Swap, a new one-click deepfake engine that keeps the lighting, grain, and mood perfectly intact. You upload your photo, drop it into any image, and in one click, you get back a result that looks captured, not composited. The technology that used to take Hollywood studios thousands of images and weeks of AI training now takes one photo, one click, done. For creators, this changes everything. One photo shoot can now become 50 different looks, luxury ads, cinematic portraits, brand visuals, all without reshooting a single frame. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works, step by step, and show you how to create hyper-real swaps that look so good people won't believe it's AI. Stay till the end, because I'll also share a few creative tricks that'll help you get the most realistic results possible. If this kind of AI creation excites you, hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Now let's jump in. First, visit Higgsfield.ai. I've placed the link in the description or comments section for you. Once you create an account and log in, you'll see a page like this. Higgsfield hosts a wide variety of AI tools. Today, we're focusing on the Higgsfield Face Swap. To find it, just look on the main page. Right up here, you'll see Face Swap by Higgsfield. I'll go ahead and click on that. The process is very straightforward. You just need to upload your source photo and then a target image. Here's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to upload an AI avatar as my source image, and then I'll swap it onto a target photo. Let me go ahead and click here to upload. My AI avatar is now uploaded. Next, I need to upload the target image. I'll choose this image here. With both images in place, simply click on Face Swap for free. Higgsfield will then start generating the new image. It just takes a moment to process. And there we have it. As you can see, the face has been swapped successfully. Now, if you click on the result, you'll find several options. You have the ability to publish it, download it directly, or modify it further. Let's explore the modification options. You can edit the image, animate it, make it speak, or regenerate it. For this example, let's try editing this specific image. I'll click Edit and zoom in a bit. To edit a specific area, I'll just draw over the part I want to change. Let's say I want to edit this section here. Then I'll type in what I want to add. Actually, let me clear that. Okay, I'll add my prompt. Let's try make him wear glasses. And then I'll hit generate. And just like that, Higgsfield has generated several new images, all with glasses. The results are quite impressive and give you a lot of options. All right, I'm going to demonstrate another swap. For this example, I'm going to upload my actual real image, not an avatar. I'll upload that now. Here is my actual image. For the target, I'll upload a picture of Davido. For those who don't know, Davido is one of the most popular musicians in Nigeria. I'm uploading his picture as the target image. Here it is. Now I'll click Face Swap for free. And just like before, it has started generating. Let's wait for it. And here is the result. As you can see, my face has been swapped onto Davido's photo. It's done a great job. What's impressive is that the skin tone seems to match his hand quite well. Everything looks very natural. I'll go ahead and download this one. This is a very good result. You can also animate this image and turn it into a video. Let's try that now. I'll click Animate, and then select a model. I'll go ahead and select one. I'll go with General. And then I'll type in a motion prompt. Let's try make him wave and kind of walk around. We can also toggle on the Enhance feature. Toggling on Enhance allows the AI to refine your prompt, which helps your final animation come out better. Now, for the animation model, you have several choices. You can select Higgsfield Standard or Higgsfield Stable. They also have other models you can use for animation, like OpenAI Sora 2, Google VO1, and Kling AI. For this demonstration, I'll go with Higgsfield Turbo instead. And I'll hit Generate. That will also start generating, so let's wait for it. Okay, the video has been animated. Let's play it and see how it turned out. Look at that! This is really amazing! I'll go ahead and download that. Now, let me create one more face swap image, and after that, I'll show you the pricing for this amazing tool. Let's do that now. I'll come back to the main face swap page. This time, I'm going to use a picture of Arnold Schwarzenegger, which I have right here. Next, I'm going to upload the source image. I'm not going to use my own photo this time. I think this model's face will work well. With both images uploaded, I'll click Face Swap. And just like that, the face from the model's photo has been swapped onto Arnold Schwarzenegger's image. Take a look. The result is incredible. This is Arnold Schwarzenegger's iconic image from the movie Terminator, and it has perfectly swapped the model's face onto it. This is insane. I'll go ahead and download this. Now, let's see if we can animate this one as well. I'll click on Modify. From here, you also have the option to make it speak. This is perfect for anyone who wants to do lip syncing, similar to the AI avatar you saw in my intro. You can create that effect with this tool. For now, I'm just going to animate it. I'll select the general model, ensure the Enhance toggle is still on, and hit Generate. Great, that's generating now. While that processes, let me show you the pricing for this amazing tool. I'll show you the final result of that animation at the end of this video. On the pricing page, you'll find both monthly and annual options. The basic plan starts at $9 per month, which is billed annually. Next, they have a plan for $17.99. Let's round that up to $18 per month, also billed annually. After that is the Ultimate plan, which is $29.99, or essentially $30 per month. And for heavy users, they have the Creator plan, which is around $150 per month. What's amazing is that when you subscribe, you don't just get one tool. You get access to a whole suite of AI tools, including Higgsfield Animate, Higgsfield Lip Sync Studio, Google VO3, Google Noner Banana, Seedream 4.0, Minimax, Hilo, UGC Factory, and many more. There are so many AI tools to explore here. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in my description or in the comments section and start creating with Higgsfield. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with friends and family.